about catching something. We, if we got to worry about something, we are concerned with keeping ourselves as healthy as possible. And some of this is just basic 101 lifestyle, like moving your body, getting enough sleep, getting quality sleep, eating properly, hydrating, having joy in your life. You want to turn the terrain acidic, be in fear, think negative thoughts. And I always refer to Masaru Emoto, and I love his work he did with water and showing the crystalline structures in water, and how if you said beautiful things to the water, the crystalline structures became beautiful. And if you played heavy metal music and said you're ugly and I hate you, the structures became quite ugly. And remembering that we are water beings, we are made of water. And so what are the thoughts you're thinking doing to your body? Are they making your body beautiful and healthy, or are they making your body stressed and moving towards disease?